Hey guys, did you cancel your Patreon account but want to come back and support your favorite creators? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to reactivate your Patreon account in under 2 minutes. So firstly guys, you need to head to the official website or launch the app on your phone. After that, tap in login. So you just go to login or sign up. I'm already signed in into my account. To log in, of course, you need to input your email and password. After that, if your account was fully deleted, you'll have to create a new one. But if you just canceled subscriptions, your account still exists and can be reactivated. So once logged in, go to the creators page you used to support, click on Join button again to choose a membership tier. You'll be rebilled at the selected rate. Alright, so for example, you can join for free, and of course, if the member is paid, it's going to be costing you some money to be subscribed to them. If needed, go to Settings, Billing, Payments Methods, and update or re-add your credit card to PayPal. So you just go to Settings, in your page, Billing and Payouts, and of course in here you will be able to find that information. Also, Patreon will send you a confirmation for each resubscription or billing update. Be sure to check Spam or Promotions tab if you don't see it. And that's it, you're now back to Patreon, ready to support and enjoy your creators' exclusive content. If this guide helped, consider following for more simple tech tutorials made just for you. See you soon.